Doc6 App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how pet care management has advanced in 2025. Doc6 App offers features to track health, appointments and social connections for dogs, but is it worth adding to your routine? The surprising truth is organization. Most people get this wrong by thinking pet apps are only for reminders. Doc6 lets you log vet visits, vaccination records, medications and even weight tracking. You can set reminders for walks, meals and supplements, keeping your dog's routine consistent. Another advantage is community. You won't believe what happens next when you see features connecting dog owners with local parks, trainers and social groups. The app provides tips for care, training and wellness, making it a hub for responsible dog ownership. However, there are cons. Some premium features require a subscription, and the free version may be limited. Notifications can become overwhelming, and the app relies on manual data entry, which may not suit everyone. Additionally, it's focused primarily on dogs, so multi-pet households with other species may need other tools. In conclusion, Doc6 App in 2025 is ideal for dog owners seeking a centralized tool for health tracking, scheduling, and social engagement. While subscriptions and manual input are considerations, the app's comprehensive approach and community features make it a valuable companion for maintaining your dog's well-being.